Here's the tour of the 2-bedroom villa at Aulani. So start at the front door, and immediately to the left is your first bathroom. The layout is fairly similar to the 2-bedroom villa at Grand, but a little different. And then here we've got the kitchen with fridge. It's a little messy because we're checking out today. Stove, oven, microwave, dishwasher, and then we go into like the dining room. I got a table and bench. Into the living room, so that in the corner turns into a twin, and this one turns into a queen. And then over here on the left we've got the first bedroom, so it has TV, drawers, out onto the patio, 2 queen size beds, a closet here, and then a full mirror into the bathroom, shower and tub, sink, and toilet. And then we go back out this way, back through here. This is the master bedroom. So you've got a king-size bed, another TV, into the bathroom, big bathroom with shower, jacuzzi tub with the windows that look into the other room, and then your toilet there. And then I believe this is more closet space. Yes, more closet space with an iron board and iron. Back through here. Then we go out into the lanai. So this is our view of our patio, or from our patio. Ocean view. And we've got a long patio. Through here. This is our view. And this is what it looks like from this angle. Down through there. 3 ways to get onto the patio. And that's the 2-bedroom villa at Aulani.